Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Buddy, fuck.
Huh? Greetings, my people. Live Topic TV again with the next one. You know what I'm saying? No, this video is all about this American guy's white guy trying Jamaican rice and peas for the first time. Guys, you want to watch this and see what he had to say about the Jamaican rice and peas. Watch this.
Alright, today my American friend trying rice and beans for the first time.
First time.
First time trying rice and beans.
First time. Oh my God.
First
look
time.
At that. Look at that.
First time.
I know it's gonna be good.
First time trying that shit.
Oh man. Oh wait. I gotta do this the real
way.
Real way.
Jamaican way.
A Jamaican way.
Bumbaclaw. Alright. Tell me what it tastes now. The Jamaican way.
Yeah. Put your heart to somebody that man.
Buddy, fuck.
Awa.
Buddy, fuck.
Hey, sweet more beer in the so.
Buddy, fuck.
Mama Claude. Oh yeah.
That is it. That is it. Buddy, fuck. Yeah, man. Jamaican way.
Jamaican way.
Alright.
So you hear it, guys. You hear it. You hear the man from the man mouth. It's a thing, no normal rice and peas. You know what I mean? But I don't understand why this man coming out as a rice and bean like say that Jamaican is a rice and bean, but rice and peas. I had a friend somewhere in Belize. They call it rice and beans. You know what I'm saying? No, Jamaican we call it rice and peas. You understand me? I say. So me have some comments. So my peeps, I take some comments from the comment section where people had to say about it, you know, so you guys can take your time if you want to stop by and read. And I want to thank you for watching. Make sure to share and subscribe and like. Peace.
Buddy, fuck.
Mama Claude. Oh yeah.
That is it. That is it. Buddy, fuck. Buddy, fuck.
Mama Claude. Oh yeah.
That is it. That is it. Buddy, fuck.
Oh yeah.
That is it. That is it. Buddy, fuck.
Love Topic TV.
You serious?